morning and happy Sunday. I wanted to come on and open up this vlog. I haven't vlogged since Father's Day. That's why I decided last minute, let me just do a day vlog for my girls. Y'all, please forgive me, my lips are a little crusty. I just washed my face, just did everything since I was starting my makeup. I haven't put my lip balm on. So just disregard my lips and just listen to what I'm saying. I am headed to brunch. Me and my girlfriends are going out to brunch today. It's been a minute since we got together, so we decided, let's get together and go to brunch. And I want to take you all along just for the day. So let me go ahead, finish doing the makeup. I am doing a simply enhanced look. That is what I used to do when I would just do a simple natural looking beat with no eyeshadow. That's what I'm going to do. That's my favorite look these days. So let me finish and I will talk to you all when we get in the car. Hey y'all, I am back. I am en route to the brunch. And I'm doing something that I always tell y'all not to do, and that's vlog and drive. I mean, not everybody are vloggers, but like how they tell us don't text and drive, we really shouldn't vlog and drive. I don't know, it seemed like I'm looking a little orange on camera. I know my makeup match. And like I told y'all, this is my natural looking look, simply enhanced. So what I do is I just simply enhance my own beauty. Anywho, yeah, I'm about to get on the freeway and I really cannot hold this and drive. So I will see you all when I get there.
In 2 miles, take exit 778 on the left.
I made it, but I cannot find any parking. I don't know anything about any of these places around here. So now I have to make the block. And because I'm in downtown Houston, you have to go up a block past the other street because they are one ways. I have got to find parking. Okay, now I'm making a round again. Oh, let me see if I can find somewhere to park. Y'all, I have made it. I see one of the ladies right here. Carol Lee. You know I'm vlogging. And she is rocking the boutique. Let me let y'all see. Sexy mama. Ooh, grandma wear. You look cute. You know I gotta get a picture. I'm gonna put this down. I only brought it because it got cold in there. Okay, you could do right there. Wait, let me stick your tag in the back.
Hey, hey, I got a lot of bands. I got a lot of stuff on me.
It's not as packed in here as I thought it would be around this time.
Got a lot of brains, got a lot of IP on me. I gotta find myself. Off, I gotta find myself off. I gotta pull it out. I gotta pull it out. It's been a lot of years, really think you get one past me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta pull it down. You got me. Never met a girl with a mind like this. No, no. Give space and time like this, my love. Never met a girl so fine like this.
Now y'all already know I'm vlogging. Let me see
Oh no, 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 no. When I waste a wine like this, my
Go Kenya, go Kenya, go Kenya.
the radio to play me. Oh, now you wish I was complacent. Oh, you must have mixed up my face. Oh, now you wanna have conversation. So you ain't testing my patience. Yeah, yeah. Got a lot of bands, got a lot of Chanel on me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta pull down.
sausage, corn, and house cheese.
No, thank you. But why they call it voodoo rolls? I know I wouldn't drink it. Now I just said I'm not trying anything that's named voodoo, and here I am about to try it. Y'all, it's good.
I gotta cool it down.
Got a lot of bands, I got a lot of on me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off.
I gotta cool it down. You got me.
You got me.
Whole lot of reservations. Whole lot of. Whole lot of texting with no conversations. Whole lot of playing victim and a villain at the same time. Whole lot of money, not a lot of patience. Whole lot of niggas be and they want some time on it. Now I wanna float it, penny in a bra. We can get it all. You keep playing with my heart, boy. I'm just as petty as you are. Only a real man can tame me. Only the radio can play me. Only my baby.
Well, I take your man right out the box, then put him under my padlock. Go ahead, roll your eyes, suck your teeth, keep huffing and puffing like a dog.
Got a lot of bands, got a lot of shit on me. I gotta fend myself off.
Do it for the vlog. I need you to do it again. Come on. Come on, get it. Come on. Hola, hola, yeah, yeah. Roll it, roll it. All right, y'all, I made a happy plate. Oh, Kara did too. Hers gone. So is Erica. She made a happy plate. Can you still have a whole lick of boudin right now?
This should be your TikTok, because I can do this.
Go, Erica. Me? I'm right here. Hey, y'all. I am back. Brunch is over. Y'all, it was just okay. We went to Phil and Derek's here in Houston. So if you're ever in Houston, Phil and Derek's is a brunch spot. Y'all, they used to be happening back in the day, but it is no longer a happening spot to me. We have so many brunch spots here now in the city, and Phil and Derek's was one of the OGs, but I was just not impressed. The food looked good, although my chicken was a little bit crispy. It was a little Cajun, y'all. It was all right. I don't want to spend a whole lot of money for Sunday fun. Well, this technically wasn't Sunday fun day, but I don't want to spend a whole lot of money for brunch, and my food is just okay. All right, I'm a foodie, and I want some good food. When I'm spending my money, some good coins, I want some good food. But we were charged an automatic 18% gratuity, and it was only 4 of us. I've always paid gratuity when it was 6 or more, but they charge an automatic 18% gratuity. What else? The drinks were just okay. I'm a mimosa lover, and the mimosas were okay. It was my first time ever trying strawberry lemonade mimosas, so it was all right. The rum punch, and I'm not even much of a drinker, but I love a fruity drink, and that just wasn't. It just wasn't what it was. It just wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. But overall, I just enjoyed the outing with my girls. We recorded a TikTok. I couldn't show y'all. It was hot. We could barely hear, but I'm gonna insert it right here. We did it to Mariah's Touch My Body, and it was fun. I'm just happy that they did it with me. Some people think we're too old for TikTok, but so I enjoyed my outing, and I am headed back home, and that will be the end of this day vlog. Thank you for joining me for brunch. Y'all already know the deal. If you have made it to this point of the video, don't forget to click your subscribe button. Make sure you click your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Leave me a comment, y'all. The comments, y'all, I'm sorry, this camera is going every which way but the right way. But leave me a comment. Comments are important. Share the video with a family member or friend, because sharing means caring. And